Let's build a plugin, a tool to help project managers estimate the time and cost of software projects. After installing Azure Functions tool, run the command. Copy the endpoint and add it to our Chat Copilot. This invokes the function calling of LLM. Let's ask a question that involves maths addition. Like .NET garbage collector, LLM function calling is indeterministic. The descriptions to the function decorated gives a maximum chance to get the function triggered. Here the LLM response it is asking for more info. Let's tell it to use random numbers for distance. LLM infers that this requires addition of numbers, looks for a plugin that has this feature and injects that function to the response. Semantic kernel then invokes it. Using GitHub Copilot, let's ask to create the code for function point estimator. We start with a draft code and incrementally enhance to meet the expectation. We can see the LLM response in a pretty way in Chat Copilot. The generated code won't be perfect. Next step is to fine-tune the code with AI pair programming and rubber duck debugging.